Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon gift card and send by email. So first thing first, get logged into your Amazon account. You will see a page like this. At the search bar, type in gift card. As you do that, you will see various gift cards like birthday, e-card or physical card. I'm going to pick this one. So as you do that, this is going to be my virtual card. Make sure e-gift card is selected, or you can also go for physical gift card. Now under recipient's email address, make sure that you type in their email address correctly so that they can receive your gift card in email immediately. Once done, they can also see your message. So if you would like, you can also type in some personal message here. And you can also edit your nickname under your name. Likewise, you can also type in your delivery date. Once done, make sure that you read all these information about this item, what a virtual gift card is. And once you do so, you have to select this go to card and check out. Once done, and after you have paid for it, the person will get an email and a virtual gift card.